Howdy, welcome back to Lovettgamez. It's your host, Rogue. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Today we're doing a food review on some Pepperidge Farms Verona strawberry cookies. So these are 18 distinctive cookies, 6.75 ounces, weight 191 milligrams of Verona cookies. This says distinctively goldenly baked cookies touched with the sweetness of strawberry. I opened them beforehand. I haven't ate any, but they're a pain in the butt to get these packages open. Just to give you an idea, they are glued shut, folded over and over and over. So it says there are 6 servings per container, 130 calories, serving size is 3 cookies, 32 grams. Total fat, 4.5 grams, 6% of your daily value. Saturated fat, 2.5 grams, 13% of your daily value. 0 trans fats, 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 3% of your daily value. 70 milligrams of sodium, 3% of your daily value. 22 grams of total carbohydrates, 8% of your daily value. Dietary fiber is less than 1 gram, 4% of your daily value. Sugars are 10 grams, including 10 grams of added sugars, 20% of your daily value. 1 gram of protein. We've got 10 milligrams of calcium, 20 milligrams of potassium, and 0.6 milligrams of iron. Let's see. The main ingredients are wheat, milk, soy, and eggs. Baked here in the USA. That's what the package looks like. It kind of a pain to open, but I meant they were $2. So I was like, I'll try it. I like strawberry. So they look like a cookie jammer type thing. Very glazed, sticky. Super light. Really good. The strawberry, it tastes like a thin strawberry jam. It's really good. I would highly recommend trying them out. It's $2. Super light cookie. I mean, as you can tell, it kind of has like a butter cookie outer taste, and then the jam on the inside is really good. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. Definitely a little love it seal of approval on this. I mean, and there's not enough sugar in there that I'm too worried to check my blood sugar afterwards. So, overall, yeah, I definitely highly recommend giving them a shot. I mean, the actual ingredients: enriched wheat flour, niacin, reduced iron, thiamine, mononitrate, riboflavin, folic acid, sugar, butter, corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup. Didn't realize that because I just try to avoid high fructose corn syrup. Strawberry puree, cornstarch, vegetable oils, palm and or soybean and hydrogenated soybean, contains 2% or less of strawberry juice concentrate, eggs, pectin, non-fat milk, baking soda, soy protein, citric acid, cream of tartar, strawberry seeds, salt, sodium citrate, and caramel color. Like I said, the main ingredients are wheat, milk, soy, and eggs. But I think it's pretty good. I'd say give it a shot. Verona strawberry Pepperidge Farm cookies. They're pretty good. So thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. And let me know if you had any of these Pepperidge Farm cookies. They're nice. I like them. They get a Love It seal of approval, 9 out of 10. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.